Hello everyone, Chef Colin Roach here, and in this video I want to share some of the highlights of my trip to the Grand Cayman Islands for the food and drink festival called the Taste of the Caymans. My son Charlie came with me and we flew out of Miami. See you, Miami. Be back in a few days. Charlie was a big foodie and he's really excited about the trip. The Caymans are a group of 3 islands, with Grand Cayman being the largest. As we approached the island, you could see numerous cruise ships docked just offshore, with their small shuttle boats going back and forth to shore. The airport is pretty small, especially compared to Miami International, but everybody was real nice. We passed through customs pretty quick. We then jumped in a van for the ride to the hotel, which was Margaritaville Beach Resort on 7 Mile Beach. Their lobby is all open and has a huge flip-flop out front, which says, Margaritaville, Souls of the Tropics. And the front shows a old flip top from a can, like in the song. This is the lobby area, which was very nice, and the check-in desk. And of course there's a bar and a pool just off the lobby, which is tastefully decorated. And the beach is just steps from that pool, with the same cruise ships we saw from the plane just offshore. Now on to the festival. Charlie and I both had VIP tickets and were anxious to see what the Taste of the Caymans was all about. All right, we're heading to the Taste of Caymans. We're going over the bridge. See the bridge behind me? And there's the marina over here. And Charlie, and there it is down here. All these tents and everything. So we're gonna go check it out now and get some food.
Yes.
Alright, so here we are at the Taste of the Caymans. You can see the main stage behind us. Later on they'll be playing music there. And I'm going to just do a walk around. You can see all the things, all the tents, everything that's here, all the people. It just started, just opened up the gates. So we're going to go look at all these different booths and see everything here. You can see lots of different stuff. Awesome. And then we have our little packet here with our map that shows everywhere we're going to go. So we're excited and I'll keep you updated. The security at the festival was top-notch, and I thought the patrol officers were sharply dressed in their uniforms, so I asked them for a quick picture. They've been doing this festival for over 30 years, so there's plenty of food and beverage vendors here for people to try. The one I thought did an awesome job is Island Naturals, and their jackfruit tacos and walnut taco meat taco bowl were both excellent. They got my vote. Now, the Brasserie Purveyors was another of my favorites. They did a great job. And I can't remember the vendor that did this, but this was another of mine and Charlie's favorite dishes, soy braised Cayman goat. It was awesome.
I come back here, and we're gonna get this stir fry up and going. So you can smell that the sauce is coming together.
This festival is also a family event, and there's tons of things for the kids to do, like this cooking competition.
And this little boy had fun with the Pepsi can. He was fascinated with the shoes for some reason. Totally funny. Good times. There was also demonstrations of all types with numerous stages set up. Charlie and I attended one titled Cooking with Iguana and Lionfish. Let me tell you, both of those are delicious when done right. Now, as the sun began to set, more and more people began to arrive, and the line started to get very long, which caused Charlie's patience to wear a little bit thin. It was around this time that the main stage started to get set up for the first of many musical acts. The stage overlooks the marina and waterfront shops over there. And of course, there was plenty of adult beverages available for those who wanted them. This was the VIP tent, where all the food was prepared by the Ritz-Carlton culinary staff. Our tickets provided access to this VIP area, which was definitely worth the extra money. And as night fell, the party really got started, and the main stage was rocking, including some spectacular fireworks. And this festival continues well into the night. Here's the Ritz-Carlton crew still hard at work, putting out great food for that VIP tent area. And of course, the other stages are still just as busy. For example, this is the Cayman Best Bartenders competition.
On your mark, get set. Your 10 minutes to make a drink starts now, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that flair. All right, over on this side, we've got Jono from Calico Jacks over here, ladies and gentlemen.
But at this point, Charlie and I had had our fill and called it a night. And even from the bridge that we walked over hours before to get to the festival, you could see and hear the party was still going on. Well, we both enjoyed our first visit to the Cayman Islands. And though we were tired, we will be back soon. So back at the airport, and onto the plane headed back home.
Folks, for number 1 for takeoff, we'll be in the air just in a few minutes. Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Miami, Florida. Where the local time is approximately 10 minutes past 9.
Good trip, good memories, good times. And highly recommend the Taste of the Caymans. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.